Hi everyone, welcome to day 7 of our 12 days of Christmas swap between me and Carmen, and let's discover together what's inside. And she wrapped it with this beautiful stuff, and as you can see I have a very curious dog. He's, let's see, washi tape. Okay, it's bubble wrapped, so I'll be careful. And there's this beautiful tissue paper. Oh, what is it? Oh, how adorable. The mini craft caddy. I haven't thought about it, making a mini craft caddy. OMG, and she spoiled me again. Look at this. Look at this, how beautiful it is. And every pocket is jam-packed with goodies. But let's show the decoration first. There's this really small mini rosette with this die cut. And there's a star in the back. And in front, the pockets are decorated with a snowman. It says brrr, which it is this cold here. Oops. The Christmas tree got a little bit bettered up. On this pocket, there's a beautiful, this adorable little deer with a Christmas tree, and it says Christmas magic. And if we turn around, we have again the mini rosette with a die cut, and the handles are beautifully decorated with this flower trim here and pearls. And this is a Craft Sensations paper. I think it was the beautiful paper pad from last year. And let's discover with what she spoiled me. There's these beautiful tiny wooden stars, which I appreciate because I don't have those. The Netherlands really have a little bit more choice than we in Belgium here. Where crafty goodies are concerned. They have other stores like the Solo, and they have their Wiebras and their Zeeman have a larger choice in products. And I think I did show this one. There's how adorable. Sorry if I'm not opening it, but I just want to keep everything nice and tidy together. Let's discover what's in this package. And there's a beautiful Christmas sequence trim shaker mix. Sorry, beautiful Christmas shaker mix. I love the baggies. I'm gonna see if I can and then put it back in. She tucked quite a lot of stuff inside here. And then these beautiful words that says Merry Christmas, which I had received from her previously, and I did use already 2 of those. Oh, look at this. Oops, sorry. Was out of frame? Oh, he loved this one. Look at this. He's so cute. A little gnome. And then there's this beautiful burlap trim. Nice to make bows with. And then there's these skates, which will be nice if you make a wall hanging, or like maybe the giant jumbo clip to hang them from. So those giant jumbo clips. Oh, how sweet. I was wondering where she got these adorable little baggies. Now she gifted me some. Oh, I love these. Thank you. You've seen them. Let's see if I can pull just one out to show you. They look like this. They will be used next year in a swap, because I definitely would love to do another 12 days of Christmas swap with one of my friends. It was lots of fun. Let's admire this beautiful little caddy. So this is her day 7, what she created. I link her channel down below as usual, so you can hop over to this really talented and sweet lady. Thank you all for watching and have a great day, and stay tuned for day 8. Bye.